Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to discuss about a tool called Photon. This tool is used to gather information about the target website using uh, the specific website. And this tool is also not available, not installed by default in Kali. So you will have to install it. You have to do extra configuration in order to install it. So let us go to its official website. And this is the tool. You can install it by cloning the link and go to its directory and install the PY. I've already installed it on my system, so let us try using it. Okay, uh, let's close this. Let's go. Yeah, I have installed it here. So let's go to Photon. Photon. And yeah, yeah. So this is let us run it. Python 3 photon photon dot py dash u is used to specify the website. Go let's go to web source dot go to web source .com. So currently it's searching for the it's gathering information about the specific website. Okay, we have, yeah, it has finished scanning the website. So it will, it will say, create a folder with the website's name. So let's go and check our the website. Let's go and check that. And yeah, it has created three files, four, 5 files, txt files. Let us check the external link, external dot txt. Yeah, yeah, as you can see, those are the links, the external links available on this website. Okay, let us check the internal link, internal dot txt, and these are the internal links. This on the website. So that's it for today.